16 Finance Commission gi Meehut Kangbu amaga ngasi Chief Minister N Biren Luchingba Cabinet Colleague amadi official singna Chief Minister Secretariat Unakhre unakiba aduda Power Minister Thongam Biswajit CAF and PD Minister Laisangtem Susindro PWD Minister Govindas Konthogjam Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Education Minister Thongnaujam Basanta Kumar Social Welfare Minister Haikham Dingo Transport Minister Kansim Basum Chief Secretary Binit Joshi, DGP Rajiv Singh Yauna Lengaki Makok Thongba official Singna Sarukyaki 16 Finance Commission gi Maikei Degina Commission Asigi Chairman Dr. Arvind Panagaria na Luchingduna Mahaki Loinabi Amita Panagaria Secretary SH Ridvik Pandey Member Singda AN Ja Ani George Matthew Dr. Manos Panda Shomya Kanti Gos Yauba Meehut Kangbu Amana Sarukyaki Unaduna Wari Sanaba Aduda Centrally Sponsor Scheme Singi Kuthangda State Asida Thadarakliba Senfam Sing Niom Chumna Amadi Mapungfana Sizinaba Tongan ba Economic Sector Sing Chaukat Nanabagi Grant in Ed Pibinaba Proposal Yauna Akanaba Project Sing Paikat Nanabagi Matangda Kanaki Finance Commission gi Maikei Degisu State Asida Sel Tungi Lamda Hena Chaukat Anaba Hiram Gayada Ningtina Tabak Paikat Anabagi Matangda Wafam Sing Pukatuna Kanaki Hairi Amaromda 16 Finance Commission gi Meehut Kangbu Adu Ngarang State Asida Tunglabaga Loinana Chief Minister Bangloda Lengak na Sinduna Taram na Oki Thorum Aduda Lamdamasigi Natki Oiba Thorum Sing Utkibaga Loinana Akanaba Chaklen Amasu Chaminaki